What's up, friend? I hope you're doing well today. I was heading out and then I realized that I don't have an intro for the video. But as you read from the title, I'm gonna do a what I eat in a day video, but I'm doing it slightly different. I'm gonna share with you like what I eat in a week, specifically lunches. These are like lunch ideas. I tend to rotate the same kind of meals. So this is what I've been eating lately. I like 10-minute meals that are healthy and delicious and like high in protein. And hopefully you get some ideas. I like watching these type of videos as well to get some inspiration. So hope that does the same for you. And I'm gonna get going because I'm starting to feel the jitters from the pre-workout. I look a little bit like a mess, but it's fine because I'm gonna go to the gym. So I will see you in a little bit. And if you'd like, I'd appreciate a thumbs up because a thumbs up goes a very long way. So yeah, enjoy this and I'll see you in a little bit.
All right, I'm gonna kick things off with the easier meal, but this is pretty groundbreaking. I'm sure you've probably, I don't know, have you heard of a sandwich before? I'm kidding. This is my go-to. I feel like a sandwich is very underappreciated. They're easy and you can make different type of sandwiches, so don't knock it. So I make two. I usually eat two sandwiches with the sesame Ezekiel bread. I add light mayo because to me it tastes the same as regular mayo, so might as well save some fat. Not that fat is bad, but I do count my macros. And I'm spreading mustard, and I do like this turkey meat from Costco. And I just add tomato, lettuce that I washed. I just didn't show it on camera. And I do like this pepper jack cheese. I just do one on one sandwich because I'm lactose intolerant, so the less dairy, the better for me. And I am adding pepperoncinis. I wish these were spicy. They're not. I do like that taste though, like that vinegary taste. So that is it. That's my sandwich or sandwiches. Easy. Boom. All right, up next. These are my spring rolls. I make these very often. I buy this jumbo cooked shrimp bag. They're frozen. I buy this at Sam's Club. And these are easy. I leave them out before the gym, and when I'm back, they're already thawed, or you can just run water through them, and like in 5 minutes, they are thawed. It's easy to take off the tail, and they taste delicious, and they're just a really good size shrimp, in my opinion. And this is the star of the show, the peanut sauce. Make this and tell me what you think, because this is just, I've perfected this peanut sauce. So you do a heaping tablespoon of peanut butter. Now this is for one serving, so just multiply if you're making this for two. But I add 1 tablespoon of lime juice. I actually add like a little more than a tablespoon just because I do like it very zesty. 1 tablespoon of maple syrup or agave nectar. Then you want to add about half a tablespoon of soy sauce, or I have coconut aminos, or you can also use tamari, and 1 tablespoon of sriracha sauce. I'm craving this as I'm editing this. And a little bit of grated ginger. You don't have to have this, but it does add flavor. And just a little bit of garlic. I add garlic paste. I'm just lazy. So I use the paste, and you can add a little bit of water, which I tend to do just to make it a little more runny. And that is the sauce. Let's set that aside. Now I'm cutting up my cucumbers and lettuce. I usually have actual carrots. I prefer the longer pieces, but I only had shredded carrots, so I'm going to use that. This is the brand I use. It's the 3 Ladies brand. You can buy this on Amazon. They're the best in my opinion. And I run this under cold water for 15-20 seconds, and it's easier. You can also do like dunk it in a bowl, but I prefer this method. Just lay it on a surface like this, a plate, start assembling. I also didn't show you, but I added jalapeno from my fridge because I like a little bit of heat. And you start rolling. You just want to bring it towards the edge, fold the corners in, and start rolling. The water and the stickiness of the rice paper will make it easy for it to adhere. And yeah, that is all you do. You bring the toppings to the side or the corner and roll it. Bam, bam, dun, 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 dun. And yeah, I'm just transferring this to the smaller bowl for presentation, and voila. These are my spring rolls. You can also do avocado in there, whatever floats your boat, but these are 10 out of 10. All right, up next, I am making my chicken bowl. Now, as you can see, I have different containers. I have rice, chicken. Usually on Sundays, I cook a batch of chicken and of rice and store it in the fridge. It makes it easier for the week. You can make different type of meals with what you have in your fridge, and it just is all about preparation, honestly. And as you can see here, I am cutting up onion, and I'm also going to cut up some jalapeno that I had in the fridge and adding it with cilantro, because a few of my meals this week will require this, as well as on this bowl. So I'm just making a little batch and then storing it in a container. Again, it's all about preparation. I just get home from the gym or in the middle of work, and instead of stressing, I have the ingredients in the fridge. As you can see, my base is Mexican rice. It's homemade, it's bomb. I have it in the fridge, and adding some chicken breast that I have prepped. And again, you can do like steak. Sometimes I do chicken thighs, it just depends. And I'm going to be adding broccoli. This is frozen broccoli that you can just, microwave it. It's easy. Sometimes, depending what I have, and just adding a little bit of this Mexican blend cheese from Trader Joe's. Who doesn't love cheese? It just adds a little bit of fat. And popping this in the microwave. And while I do that, I kind of clean up quickly. And I'm just going to add this on this food scale because I do weigh my fats. And today I'm adding avocado per usual. I love avocado. Like, I can have 2-3 avocados if I wanted to with just salt, pepper. It's just chef's kiss. But I'm adding this to my chicken bowl, and then going to add the onion, cilantro, jalapeno mix that I made. And lastly, this green dragon hot sauce from Trader Joe's. As you can tell, I don't really like sauce. No, I do like a lot of sauce. I love spice. And yeah, this is my go-to chicken bowl. It's easy, delicious, so many flavors. It's all about the seasoning, you guys. All about the seasoning. This is it. One of my meals for the week. All right, up next, this is one of my go-to meals for dinner, but I was craving it for lunch because it also works for lunch. It's my salmon chili lime garlic bowl. It's delicious. Atlantic frozen salmon. Obviously, it's best to buy it fresh, but this honestly tastes very good for it to be frozen. And it thaws very quickly, which is why I like salmon. Again, if you want to buy fresh, go for it. But I use these 3 ingredients. This is the trifecta for this. It's Dijon mustards with the seed, chili lime from Trader Joe's, and garlic paste. As you see, I'm spreading garlic paste over the salmon fillet. And then I'm spreading a tablespoon of Dijon mustard with the seeds. And I'm going to add a lot of chili lime seasoning from Trader Joe's. This has salt in it already, sea salt, and this combination is amazing. It works every time. So I'm going to add that in the air fryer for 7 minutes, 400 degrees, and that is all it takes. It always comes out to perfection. So 400 degrees, 7 minutes. While that's cooking, I assemble my bowl. I cooked jasmine rice because I only had Mexican rice in the fridge, and I feel like that just does not go well with salmon, so I made jasmine rice. Super easy to make, and I had edamame from the salmon bowl from days ago in my fridge, so I added that, which was perfect. Cutting up some cucumbers. These are my favorite type of cucumbers to have, and once that is all heated up, popped in the microwave, the salmon is cooked. I'm going to lay it on top, and I'm trying to show you how buttery this salmon turned out, and it's almost too buttery that it's falling apart, but it just looks beautiful and tastes beautiful as well. So I'm just finishing off the bowl, and I like these organic roasted seaweed snacks with sea salt. I sometimes mix this bowl up and then just kind of use that almost like a little tortilla, like a little vehicle for the meal. But yeah, this is bomb. I'm adding my mayo sriracha sauce. You just add 1 tablespoon of light mayo, 1 tablespoon of sriracha, or full mayo, whatever you want. Sprinkling sesame seeds, and voila, that is the salmon bowl. It's cold today. This is bomb.